boys showed again what they're capable of. And I said it a few times now, I don't like the fact that inconsistency is part of the deal in a development. Usually, you win games and you lose against the big teams, because at the beginning of when they are one level, then you can beat them. But when they are at a higher level, they are smarter, more experienced, then you lose the games. Yeah, we've chosen obviously another way, and but it's still, how I said, part of the deal, and we know that we have to keep on going, and we will.